wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best underwater video cameras. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Nikon Coolpix W100 performs admirably in bodies of water that let in a lot of sunlight, like swimming pools. It also makes a great first shooter for kids, both because of its tough construction and thanks to a simplified menu system. It works in below freezing temperatures. However, its ISO range is limited and the lens protector scratches easily. At number 9, in the small circular bezel around its lens, the makers of the Ricoh WG50 embedded 6 LEDs that create a kind of ring light that drastically improves your macro photography. It won't shoot in 4K, however, which is a deal breaker for some. The battery life is respectable, but its display is too low resolution, and you can only shoot 25 minutes at a time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Olympus TG Tracker is perhaps one of the only models of its kind to boast an articulating monitor, giving you the freedom to shoot from a variety of angles. It performs well in low light, but its focal length limits you to a fisheye perspective. It's equipped with a 60 lumens light and shares files via Wi-Fi. However, the screen offers no selfie position. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater video cameras, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, inside its durable waterproof housing, the Sealife DC2000 can follow you down 200 feet. With that case removed, you have a point and shoot in your hands with a large capable imaging sensor and a handful of great features. It boasts a manual aperture control and internal RAW formatting, but it's got no zooming capability. Moving up our list to number 6. While a lot of action cams rely on rectangular builds, like that of the GoPro, the Sony FDRX3000 camcorder has a longer body that's a bit more ergonomic. That makes it much more comfortable to handhold while swimming with the fishes. It's equipped with a stereo microphone and offers plenty of mounting options. However, there's no monitoring without a phone. Halfway up our list at number 5. With remarkable features like a built-in GPS, an altimeter, an e-compass and a depth gauge, the Nikon Coolpix W300 is ideal for the shooter who wants to remember exactly where he or she was when their photos or movies were captured. There are 3 colors to choose from, all with an effective time-lapse mode, but its menu navigation is a pain. At number 4, it may be hard to believe that the Sony DCS RXO features things like a 1-inch sensor and Zeiss-made glass in such a small package, but that's exactly what it does. That results in images with greater dynamic range and more dramatic depth of field. It weighs under 4 ounces and includes a smooth operating smartphone app. However, it needs a housing for deep water use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're looking for something that can stand up to the rigors of more than just a little water, you might like what you see in the Olympus TG5 Tough. It's shock-proof from drops of up to 7 feet high, and it can withstand 220 pounds of pressure without buckling. It features a fast image processor, nice macro shots, and a 20 frame per second burst rate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater video cameras, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Fujifilm finepix XP130 is available in 5 attractive colors, one of which is a bright yellow that should help to increase its visibility beneath the waves and in low light conditions. It's a smart, lightweight choice ideal for snorkeling. It's equipped with a 5x optical zoom, a 16 megapixel sensor, and a 3-inch LCD monitor. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is waterproof all on its own down to 100 feet. Of course, this selection has a nearly endless amount of accessories you can purchase for it, including a housing that lets you take it even deeper than that. It boasts great stabilization, wireless live streaming, and vibrant 4K footage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for underwater video cameras, or simply click beneath this video.